Hello everyone, my name is Anas. I'm recording this video to demonstrate all the functionality that we implement in our website for the final project, for the Python final project course. So as you can see, we have the home page. We can sign in. In our website we have two rules. You can sign in as an admin or you can sign in as an user. I'm going to start signing as an admin. So when you sign in, the first page you will see is the your profile page. In this page you can see all the personal information that is related to the relevant user or logged in user. For example, the name, email and phone. Also we have a more info button. This more info show a pop-up model showing more information about the user. For the second page we have a property management page. In this page the admin can add a new property to the system. As you can see, we have three from previous inputs. I can add the new one. If I go to here and let's say I'm going to add a new apartment, the address, city, Amman, 1 2 3 4 5, country, say Jordan, and apartment type. We can choose the apartment type. It's apartment. It can be apartment, house, commercial, condo, or townhouse, and other. I'm going to with the apartment, and available from. Let's say it's available from this today to be rented. I will add this property. As you can see, a new property added to the table. If I click on the more info about this apartment will shown. Also I can edit the property. Let's say I want to edit the availability. Let's make it in 30 instead of 14 and save it. Yeah, as you can see now it's available from 30. Also I can delete it and so on. Another feature in this page, we can show the property using a table or using a cards, which will show the same data as the tables. Move on to the next page. In this page show all the all the tenants in our website. As you can see, we have now 5 tenants, which are by the way, they are the name of our teams, starting from Anas, which is me, Abdullah, Raghad, Makarem, Balqees, and these are tenants. We consider them as a tenant now. Also we have a feature where you can show them as a card, the more info, also the delete, I don't delete it, and the edit form. Now we comes to the lease. Now lease is like this. In this feature, lease is linking the property with the tenant. For example, I want to add a new lease, which is in other words for the contract. I can select the tenant, the available tenant, which I show you in the previous tenant page. Let's say I want to choose Abdullah, and Abdullah want to rent Irbil City Center apartment. Lease start. I can make it start from this to there, and this lease is 1 year lease. So I will choose the next year. Yeah, in the 14 year. Rent about say it's 150. Security deposit, say 1000. Last bid date. So last bid date means the date when the new bills will be issued. So I choose from the starting of the lease. So in the next month, a new rented bills will issued for this user or for this tenant. Also, the payment frequency, it can be monthly or yearly. I will choose monthly. Here I can add more lease term, like something the owner will commit it to the user to the tenant, or vice versa, where the user will commit it something to the owner. Also, I can make this checkbox is active or not. In this case, I will choose it as active and create lease. As you can see, a new lease has been created with the relevant information. Also, I can edit them as previous. If I want to add make it inactive, it will turn to red, showing that this lease is not active right now. Also, I can show more information about the lease. Now we will move to the inbox, and the inbox is a special feature that enables the admin to see and to interact with the users. In this page, as you can see, we have a message history showing that some username is Abdullah, the phone and the address, send a message saying that the Windows doesn't open. The priority also of that request, is it low, medium or high? Also the response. We will check this feature more in the user dashboard. So I'm going to log out, and this time I will log in as as a user. Let's say Abdullah is a user in our system and he wants to log in. Yeah, let's save it. So now Abdullah, he's in his own dashboard, and as you can see, the same profile page that's shown for the admin will shown to the user, showing the relevant information about that user, like the name, the email, the phone number, also the more info and the ability to edit each information for that user. Also, I'm going to move to the lease expiration page. In this lease, if you remember, we add this lease like a couple minutes ago, and as you can see, lease expires in 3000. It's almost 1 year day on the, which is the day that we if you look here, it's the same day that we started the lease, and because it's 1 year, it will expire in the next year. Also for the other leases, because each tenant can rent it more than property, it has one to many relationship, so we can see more than one leases. Also, this Abdullah has a lease with the Irbid City Center apartment with the 31. It's almost also 1 year, and here it has 1 month to expire. If we go to the lease agreement, also it's the same. That shown it's the same as the previous one, but shows more information about the leases. If you can see, this is the one that we make previously, showing the rent amount, the security deposit, lease period, and lease term. We didn't add anything to the lease term, so it's empty. Now we will move to the third feature, which is the overdue payment notices. In this feature, the user can see all the bills that he have to pay for the current month. For example, Abdullah has a bills to pay for the Urban City Center apartment. Now we didn't implement a payment feature. This could be a future work, but you can imagine that every user has the ability to pay for their rent. Now we come to the complaints, which is a feature that's connected to the inbox in the admin dashboard, where user can submit complaints or messages for his admin. So I'm going to make a new message. The subject, let's say I have electricity problem, maintenance. The category is maintenance. Let's say it's high, and the message, it could be anything like the electricity is cutting off. We have a spelling electric, so I can send it. Now as you can see, we have a new message in the history, but no response to it. So admin should respond to that. So let's simulate that the admin goes and answer this message. So I'm going to log in as an admin again. Going to, as you can see, we have a 2, meaning that we have a new message, the one that we previous had, and the new one. If I press next, so this is the message that comes from Abdullah, showing that high priority, the username, of course, the phone, the address, category, priority, message, and your response, which is the admin response. No response yet. So let's respond to Abdullah. We will contact you so the message could be anything. Now as you can see, a new message that sends it to the user. We can also sign out to verify that Abdullah received the message. Sorry, we have to log in as Abdullah. Now Abdullah, if you go to the complaints, to the next, now this is the message that he sent: electricity problem with the priority high, the message itself, and the response he got from the admin. So yeah, this is the main feature that we have in our project. Also our project support the light and dark mode. If you can see, I will show you the light mode in the admin dashboard. So this is the light mode in the admin dashboard. It's also available in both dashboard. So yeah, this is our project. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.